Now, let's consider upgrades when it comes to times of recession. Now, when we look at it in terms of recession, we already understand that, apartment asset class does very well in the recession aspect of things. Even in downtowns, people need safe, clean, affordable housing. So renovated Class B, let's look at it in that perspective. Apartment often will outperform your luxurious apartment, your high-rise or neglected units. For you professional, this means stable passive income even when you have volatility in the stock market, when you want to compare both together. Now, in my closing, just to see or make things in summary, renovation-driven value add equal upgrade in income and building of your wealth. Period. So I would encourage you to look into that. For the newbies, encourage you to look into the apartment class asset. You can also self-direct your IRA into deals that you vetted. Start learning into all this aspect of how to invest in apartment building. So if you're a physician, pharmacist, or a dentist, or a nurse looking to grow your wealth through apartment, this is your invitation to step into the world of value add. Remember, every upgraded apartment is an upgrade path to financial freedom. So just understand that aspect, that value add brings profitability to the table of your investment.